Hi mga karag-karag, welcome back to my vlog. Isang mainit na umaga sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. At ito na nga mga karag-karag, ang mga latest galore na mga pa-eksena sa Miss Grand International 2023 bilang pagsuporta sa ating pambato na si Nikki. Naku, may pa-interview si Uncle mga karag-karag. So panoorin natin to kung ano yung magiging komento ninyo. Let's watch.
Oh, so many things, surprise, so many things, believe me, so many things. I do our best production, a lot of rehearsal, and our result always fair. Don't worry anything. But one thing is very important, Q&A very difficult for today. Not for today, for this year, sorry. Yeah, but now I got top 20 already in my hand. Yeah, thank you so much. And I got some of them for top 5, but not complete. Yeah. They did very well. How can we say? We have to give them. Yeah, no problem. Not any condition.
So to fight based on the grand final?
So now we have top 20 and we see it's not clear for top 10 and top 5 maybe 2 place done. 2 place done. We still waiting for 3 more place. 3 more place. So we will looking for more potential, more spirit. Yes, every day from now until the end. Yes. So a lot of dark horse for this year. I have to say very sincere. You see last night? Yes. How come they're so stunning? Yeah. The one who's so quiet before, but now they're so stunning. It's not too late. Okay, something better than nothing. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, and don't forget to follow Miss Grand International Facebook. Today, during the time of director meeting and lunch, together with us, we will have some announcement. Yeah, to let you know some news. Okay. And don't forget to waiting for the host country for next year too. Okay. We are now on the stage. Yeah, we now on the stage on 25th.
Can you feel like the Asia world?
Oh no, we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy.
Yan ang mga karag-karag, narinig na ninyo si Uncle. Para naman sa akin na what is na what. Wala na tayo, tapos na yung ano natin, nabuhos na natin lahat yung sasabihin natin sa mga nakaraang taon pa. At base sa kanyang pa-interview, wala namang nagbago. Ganon pa rin yung pasistema ni Uncle. So excited ako kung sino yung makaronahan bukas at magla-live sailing after ng kanyang pageant. Kung matalo man si Nikki, congratulations pa rin, di ba? Relax lang, kalmado lang ang fans, walang mga Gardo Versosa na mga pa-eksena galore. Hindi na stress ang taga-fans. So wala, kiber. Ganun lang. So samantala yung mga kapitbahay natin, nagwarlahan na sila mga karagkag. Stressful kayo ang ilang mga bangs na ano ngayon, forfall at saka think kung sino nga ba ang mag-uwi sa corona sa mga Latinas. Dahil kung maligwak yung mga mega favorite na mga Latinas, ay, chismis galore pa more. So, yan lang mga karag-karag, magingay tayo sa comment section at kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe. Kuragan karag, ang babae na kinakarag-karag, and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!